homeowner accused Officer Huizar of the Riverside Police Department of entering her home without a warrant. The confrontation escalated when he allegedly told her, "Now that I'm inside your house, I own your house."
Oh my God, nigga.
You can.
Okay, then back the fuck up
I'm
out
not
of my
gonna
house.
back up.
You do not have a right to be inside my
I'm
house.
not gonna
I will
back
talk
up.
to you outside.
Back up and talk to her outside.
No.
You don't
guys
have
can
a
walk
warrant.
away.
No, don't talk to them.
You don't have
You
to
do not
walk
have
away.
a
Let me tell
warrant
you-
to be inside. I will talk to you outside.
You want?
Officer, I will talk
I
to
am
you
not
right
gonna step outside your house.
You do not have a
We're
warrant
gonna
to be
talk
inside
right
of
here.
my house.
I'm not inside your house. Okay.
You're inside
Yes.
of my house.
Let me tell you why I'm right here.
Because you walked in.
No, because they opened the door and ran from me.
And
That's
I'm
why.
telling you, I am the
Okay,
adult
and I'm
here.
telling
This
you
is my home.
that now that I'm inside your house, I own your house right
you
now.
do not.
Yes, I do.
You don't know shit,
Yes,
bro.
I do.
You don't know shit, bro.
What I mean?
know my
Okay,
rights.
I don't care if you know your rights.
And I'm telling you, my
So-
dog will bite you if I tell her to bite you.
Tell
So
your
I'm
dog to
asking
bite
you to back
Tell
up.
your dog to bite
and
me.
I will talk to you outside.
I'm not gonna talk to you
What
outside.
the fuck do you want? What
One
the
second,
fuck
please.
do you want inside my house? Bring your fucking supervisor to my home now. Yeah, bring them all.
We'll turn
You
the music
have
down.
no
Can you
right
leave
to
us
be
alone?
inside. No, don't
Please.
fucking talk to them.
Please. We'll
You
turn
have
the
no
music
right
down.
to be inside because they opened the door. They're minors. I'm the adult here. This is my home.
She
Get the
says
fuck-
she's the adult.
She's
I'm
not
an
the fucking.
adult.
She's my daughter. Get the fuck out of my
I'm
home.
not gonna get out of your house.
Then call your fucking supervisor right fucking now
415 noise.
and put me to the fucking ground. I fucking double dog
Go
dare
ahead and
you.
touch me.
This is my
Go
home,
ahead and touch
bro.
me.
You're in my house.
I am telling
You're
you.
in my house. Don't do that. You're in my. I didn't touch you. Her. Did I
stop,
touch
stop,
you?
stop,
Did I touch
Stop!
you?
No,
Did I
stop!
touch
You can't do anything.
Did I
Sorry,
touch
you're
you?
just gonna make it worse.
Did I ever touch you? I did not fucking
She's
touch
good.
you, bro.
She's good.
Step away.
I didn't fucking touch you, you fucking bitch.
Nah, you're good. You're
I
good.
didn't
Mama D,
fucking
stop.
touch you.
Mama D, stop. Mama
I
D,
didn't
stop.
fucking touch you. You're intimidated,
Mama,
bro. You're in my house.
I am telling
You're
you.
in my house.
Don't do that.
You're
Hey,
in my house. Stop. She's hurt. Did I touch you? What's wrong with you? Did I touch you? Did I
Stop. You can't do anything.
touch you?
Oh my
Step
God.
away.
No, I know. Just we just
You're
want to
in my
relax her. We
fucking
just want her to calm
home,
down.
bro.
We just want her to calm
You're
down.
in
Mama
my
D,
home.
Mama D, please. Please, Mama D.
Oh, fuck this shit.
No, Mama D, stop. Mama D, stop. Please. Please.
You're
Please.
in my fucking home. Mom, stop.
Stop. Just stop.
Stop
Mama D,
acting
stop.
like that.
Just stop.
Stop.
Just stop. Just stop. You're good.
Get off of me. I'm not hurting
No, she's
you.
good. She's good.
Am
You're
I
good, Mama
hurting
D.
you?
You're good,
Did
Mama
I
D.
hurt you? Did I hurt you? Did I hurt you?
I told you, right?
Did I hurt you?
told you to step
You're
away.
in my. Did I touch you?
I've been recording this whole
Ever once did I touch you? Keep this on video.
I am.
Did I touch you
Oh,
one
look, I
fucking
just-
time? I have it on the ring. I don't give a fuck, bro. Did I touch you one time? You're intimidated by me,
This is
bitch.
unnecessary. This was
Get
totally
the fuck out of here.
unnecessary.
Call your supervisor right fucking now.
Mama D,
Put me
please.
up against the wall.
Please,
No,
Mama D.
they don't have to.
Please, Mama D,
No,
please,
don't go
please.
inside.
Please,
Don't go
please.
inside.
We don't have to go inside.
Don't go
I
inside.
just want to de-escalate.
Don't go inside.
It's done.
Keep it on. Do not go inside. Do not listen to him. Oh, look at all these cops coming for a little fight.
After watching this video, let us know how you feel about the police. Do you believe they should be allowed to enter your home without permission?